I'm Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I want to talk to you about bus lanes and whether you're allowed to drive in them or not. Now, the first sign just here shows us that there is a bus lane and that it is a 24-hour bus lane. The fact it has no times attached to the bottom indicates that it is constantly always in operation for buses. It can also be used by taxis and bicycles. This sign, however, has times on it and it shows us the period of operation of the bus lane. So as long as you are outside of those times, then you can drive in the bus lane, and you should drive in it on your driving test if it is safe to do so, and you will be penalised if you don't drive in a bus lane that you're allowed in. If you found this information useful, then please give it a like or a comment. If you want more videos the same, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or if you want to join our online theory course, then you can visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.